Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the bookback exercise of the lesson Peter and the Wolf. Comprehension. Fill in the blanks with the words from the story. Dash was angry that Peter was playing in the meadow. Grandfather. Dash went to the meadow to play with his animal friends. Peter. Dash climbed the tree to catch bird. Cat. The wolf caught Dash. Duck. The hunter helped Peter to take the wolf to the zoo. At the end of the story, grandfather was Dash with the Peter anymore. Cross. Answer these questions. What happened when Peter went to the meadows? When he went to the meadows, he met his friends Bird and Duck and Cat. He told them that he wanted to catch the wolf. Next, what did Cat do? Was he Bird's friend? Why? Why not? He is the friend of the bird, but cat is to act in its naturally cunning and predatory way. So he tries to catch the bird to eat. What did Peter see from his window? He sees the wolf emerge from the forest, chase the duck and swallow her. How did Peter trap the wolf? Peter trapped the wolf by first using the bird to make the wolf dizzy while the wolf was trying to catch it. Peter then climbed a tree, formed a noose with a rope, and lowered it to catch the wolf by the tail. He tied the rope to the tree, and the wolf became trapped while jumping around. What was grandfather's reaction when Peter caught the wolf? When Peter caught the wolf, his grandfather was very happy and proud. Understood? Next, vocabulary. Fill in the blanks with words formed by adding suitable suffix to the given words. Suffix means we have to add the word to the end of the word. Okay. Prefix means beginning. In the beginning we have to add a word. Okay. The Dash prospered under the noble king's rule. Kingdom. King, they added dom. Dom. Okay. In the same way you have to do. Everyone praised his Dash nature. Helpful. Peter's Dash has saved many animals. Peter's kindness. Vinay noticed a sudden dash in the bush. Movement. Robin Hood was a Dash man who had many adventures. Fearless. Rini was trying her best to make her relatives feel comfortable. Next, underline the adjectives that describe the characters in the following sentences. My dog is lazy, but it is adorable. Lazy, adorable. The cruel man had many enemies. Cruel. The timid mouse squeaked in surprise. Timid. The humble musician was surprised by the praise. Humble. Many people couldn't solve the puzzle, but the clever boy could. Clever. Understood? Adjective means it describes the nouns. So here it describes the characters. Okay? Next, grammar. Change the following adjectives to adverbs. So what is adverbs? Adverbs tells us how, where and when an action takes place. So when you ask a question, how, you will get the answer. When you ask a question, where and when. So these are called adjectives. Okay? Change the following adjectives to adverb. Happy, happily. Graceful, gracefully. Courageous, courageously. Proud, proudly. Brave, bravely. Dangerous, dangerously. Understood? Next, underline the adverbs in these sentences. The children are playing outside. Where they are playing? Outside. So outside is an adverb. This is my school. I like studying here. Where she is studying? School. Here. People must speak softly in the library. How they are speaking? Softly. Priya visited her grandparents yesterday. When she is visited? Yesterday. My mother will pick me up from school today. When she is picking her up? Today. Beena walked quickly to the bus stop as she was getting late. How she is going? Quickly. Understood? This is about the adverbs. Next, fill in the blanks with because or so. I don't want to eat dash I am not hungry. Because I am not hungry. I don't sleep well last night dash I am tired now. So I am tired now. Peter was not afraid of the animals, dash he is brave. Understood? So, I don't want to eat because I'm not hungry. I don't sleep well last night, so I'm tired now. Peter was not afraid of the animals because he is brave. Sheila had a toothache, so she went to the dentist. Rita started to exercise and eat healthy because she wanted to remain fit. This is about the lesson Peter and the Wolf, book back exercise of the lesson. Tomorrow we will start our grammar book. Okay? Thank you.